Friends, in a cement plant, rotary kiln is rightly called heart of the plant. It also has the distinction of guzzling fuel. As the cost of fuel, that is oil, gas or coal, has mounted, every plant tends to reduce fuel consumption or to reduce cost of fuel by using alternative waste products as fuel. Today, we shall talk about how to reduce fuel consumption. In any dry process cement plant, heat consumption ranges between 850 to 1000 kilocalories per kg of clinker produced, while as heat required for sintering process of clinker is only about 400 kilocalories per kg of clinker produced. Thus, about 45 to 55% of heat consumption is lost by way of flue gases of kiln, pyro and clinker cooler. Other sources of loss are radiation from surfaces of kiln, cooler, cyclones, etc. Heat loss in material collected from exhaust gases from kiln, cooler and clinker going out from the cooler. Each source of loss should be studied to find ways to minimize loss. It cannot be completely eliminated, but it can be definitely be minimized. Should be improved by adjustment of air delivery from various cooler fans. If the null point is adjusted, it may improve secondary air temperature, reduce temperature of cooler exhaust gases and reduce temperature of clinker going out of cooler. All this shall result in reducing fuel consumption. Condition of kiln outlet seal does also plays an important role in improving recuperation efficiency of cooler. If there is moisture in limestone and coal, kiln cooler exhaust gases should be used to dry the moisture in respective mills. If exhaust gases are not used, one should study to use exhaust gases if parameters permit to put up a waste heat recovery boiler. To reduce loss of heat due to radiation, use of insulation bricks is considered under the refractory bricks in pre-burning zone of the kiln and in cyclones, except top cyclone where the temperature is usually low. Thank you.